What is up, Tress Troop? It is Tress to Impress, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I make these nude natural press-on nails. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get to it. You guys have already seen how I make these press-on nails for myself. Today I'm going to be making a set for my sister. You can make these for friends or clients, and I've gotten a little bit more organized so I can do it more easily. So my tips are now in a container that's labeled with all the sizes, and the first thing that you want to do is size your client or whomever you're making the nails for. So I have the sizes for the tips that I need written out on this card. So I am going to just pull out the nails in the size that I need. Now, in addition to my box being numbered, each tip is also numbered. So you want to make sure that they don't get mixed up and that you actually are picking up tips that are the right sizes by checking the number that's on the end of the nail. And these are whole nails. You have to use whole nails for press-ons, and they are clear. I chose clear so that I could have more nail polish color options. Next, I am using this Loctite sticky tack, which I just purchased from Walmart. I don't remember how much it costs, but it's very inexpensive. And this is just a wooden kitchen skewer, like for cooking. And I attach the sticky tack, as you've seen, to the end of the skewer, and then that gives me an artificial finger that I can use to file and shape my nail. Now these nails are already shaped almond, and that's the shape that they need to be for the finished product. However, sometimes there's extra plastic that's hanging off the ends of the nails that needs to be filed off to make sure there's a nice clean look. And then of course we need to buff the top surface of all of the nails so the gel polish will adhere and last for an extended period of time. You want to be able to wear these press-on nails multiple times for multiple weeks. And now I am going to use the set that I taped together for a makeshift hand and apply all of my nails to each one. And I have 5 per makeshift hand. And you want to make sure that they're all straight and secure and not too close together. My second hand that I made the skewers a little bit too close together, but you will see that I made it work anyway. I will probably eventually make a new one and trash that one or retape it. Okay, next we have to use our base coat, and this is the Sally Hansen kit that comes with the UV light. I ordered this kit off of Amazon. I absolutely love it. And my base coat and my top coat are actually getting low, so I'm going to have to purchase some more Sally Hansen polish soon. But this is not to be confused with the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. The Miracle Gel does not require a UV light, and it does not last very long. It peels, it chips, and I do not like it. However, this, which is the Pro UV Gel, does last very long. The press-on set that I have now, I wore for 2 weeks. They lasted for 2 weeks. I took them off and I put them back on, and I've gone through another week, so they've lasted 3 weeks so far, and they still look like day one. And between each coat, you do want to make sure that you cure your nails in the UV lamp for at least 30 seconds, one round, like pushing the button one time and allowing it to turn off on its own, is 30 seconds. But I like to do mine for 2 rounds, meaning they're 60 seconds per dry, per layer, per dry, if that makes sense. And I noticed that they dry your nails for 60 seconds at the nail salon, so that's why I do 2 rounds. And now I'm going to go in with my nude nail polish. Previously, I did a natural pink color, so this is a nude color. It's a little bit more brown, but it's very, very pretty. And with each coat, you guys, you just want to make sure that you are doing a thin, even layer. Thin, even layer is the key. You do not want to make your coat too thick. It will clump and bubble, and it just will not give you a good product. So if you put on a thin, even layer like I'm doing now, and the color is not pigmented or solid enough for you, then just add another coat and keep adding coats until you get the color that you want. You do not want to put this polish on thick. So this is my first color coat. I'm going to do a second color coat, and then I'm going to do a top coat and make sure that I cure for 60 seconds between each layer of polish. now we have come to the end of the road. This is my favorite part because I know I'm wrapping it up. You just need a little bit of alcohol on a cotton ball to wipe the sticky residue off of the nails. So after you have cured the gel polish, it forms this sticky layer on top that makes it seem like your polish is not dry, but you just wipe it off with an alcohol pad and you are good to go. The Sally Hansen kit actually comes with pads that you use to clean off the nail, and I've used those all, but the alcohol works just as well, and that's what they use at the nail salon. And then after I have removed the nails from my makeshift hand, I just toss them into a tiny Ziploc bag and they are ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.